Holy Grace Academy is always in forefront to motivate children to come out of their shells. It gives an opportunity for the children to explore. Innovative, compassionate, and respected is our leader. Our principal, Mr. Joseph Alamkar, is a key for our success. He moves our school from good to great. We welcome you, sir.
Thank you.
Our headmistress, Mrs. Anita Kumari, is a person who helps them grow and helping us grow along the way. Welcome, ma'am. Next, we have a special person, Ms. Kalyani Gokul. She is very active, precocious, and keen. She is our little news reader too. Welcome, Ms. Kalyani. Today, she is here to have a small interaction with our dearest principal. Kalyani, over to you, dear.
Good morning, sir. I am Kalyani Gogul from UKGB.
Okay, nice to meet
My
you.
first question is, who is your favorite leader? And can you tell me why?
Okay, anyway, before I come to the answer, it is first experience for me for the last 21 years as principal to have an interview with a UKG child. I had such interactions or interviews with the children from the senior classes, but this is a new experience and really a motivating experience for me to have interaction with a student like you, Kalyani, a very smart girl from UKG. And the question is that who is your favorite leader? So my favorite leader is concerned our father of nation, Mahatma Gandhi. So I got fascinated by Mahatma Gandhi's ideals when I was studying in my post-graduation MA in history. So there was a paper about the freedom movement and all. I had to do a lot of research about Gandhi's thoughts, teachings and all. And I was really inclined to Gandhi's thoughts, philosophy. And I believe Gandhiji is concerned, he does not belong to past, he belongs to future. Still, we have got a lot of things to learn from Gandhiji, whether it is for the elders or for the children like you. And have you heard about Gandhiji, Kalyani?
Yes.
Heard about.
Yes,
of course,
sir.
you try. Okay, try to know more about
October 2nd.
His birthday. Okay, Gandhi Jayanti.
Yes.
Great. You have got a good general knowledge also. And you can, in future, you can learn, learn a lot of things about Gandhiji. As you grow up, you will be able to read about his autobiography too, My Experiments with the Truth. Okay, so a lot of things about him. And one more thing I tell you, in this year's school magazine, there is a beautiful article written by a student of standard 10th, Kridya Babu. Okay, so a letter to Mahatma Gandhi, it was addressed like that. Okay, so when you get the magazine in your hand, of course, you may not be able to, understand fully. Of course, you can take the help of your teachers or your parents to understand that better. Okay, that's all about it. And Gandhi is concerned, why I like Gandhi, because he is, as I said, he does not belong to past, he belongs to future. More than that, he fought against the Britishers without taking any weapons in a non-violent fashion. So he could fight against the most powerful country in the world. That was Britain. Okay. So that is one of the things. And more than that, he could able to change the whole country into a laboratory in which he did a lot of experiments and he succeeded. So that is the reason. And more than that, he is considered as one of the most charismatic leader of modern times. So that's all about Mahatma Gandhi.
My second question is, what quality you like mostly in children?
What quality? Okay. Actually, children are concerned, a lot of qualities are there in all children, including you. So I should ask, one question to Kalyani. What all qualities you have identified in you? as a student or as a daughter? What are the qualities you possess? Can you just tell me one or two?
Obedient.
Obedient, very good. Okay, that's a very good quality. Then, second, do you speak truth always? Do you speak truth always? Yes. So that is also a great quality. That's a great quality. Okay. Then you speak always truth and you are obedient to your parents, obedient to teachers, obedient to superiors, obedient to elders. So these all are good qualities. So myself is concerned, I consider this is the most important quality which I like to see among children. That second one, speaking truth. Okay. So always speak truth. This is one of the things which I liked in the in the leader whom I was talking about, Mahatma Gandhi. Okay, or the leaders like Abraham Lincoln. So Abraham Lincoln was concerned. He had said that the first lesson in education is to love truth and dare to speak it. And for Mahatma Gandhi is concerned, truth and non-violence. These were the two weapons, by which he fought against the most powerful country in the world, and he succeeded. So these are the great source of inspiration for not only for the entire Indians, but the whole world. Okay, so this is a great quality which I always appreciate and admire among children. Okay, the quality of speaking truth. Okay, so it is not so easy to find among all people. Okay, anyway, I'm very happy to listen that you always speak truth. Okay, that's a good quality. This is one quality, and there are so many other qualities, as you said, obedience is concerned, or the humility. There are so many qualities there. Okay, so these all things come secondary. The first and foremost thing I give importance to the quality of speaking truth. Okay, Kalyani, then.
My next question is, what is your favorite book and who is your favorite author?
Okay. So favorite, if you're asking about one, of course I want to give it, but of course, I have got, more than one author as my favorite authors and books. So one of the book, that which I am very much attracted is Robert S. Schuller. He's an American author and a motivator. And that book is, still on my table. Tough times never last, but tough people do. So that's really a motivational books. And similarly, that's about the leadership, motivation and all. And other area, the fiction is concerned, Paulo Coelho. So Paulo Coelho is concerned, he is my favorite author, and I read many of his fictions, novels like, The Alchemist. So when you come to your senior classes, you also will be able to read that book. It is an international bestseller and really a motivating book, not only for the children, but elders too. Okay, so I should say that the first one is concerned Robert H. Schuller, an American author. Second one is concerned Paulo Coelho. And the books are concerned, the tough times never last, but tough people do, from him. And Paulo Coelho's book is concerned, that is The Alchemist. So that is why my favorite book and all. Okay, Kalyani.
Sir, I want to be a firefighter because I like to drive fire engine. What was your childhood dream?
So you want to be a firefighter. Okay, childhood dream, actually, Kalyani, when I was in your age, I don't remember, any such dreams. But when I came to, my middle school level, that 7th, 8th standard and all, I was dreaming to become a teacher in a public school, located somewhere in a hill station. So that was my dream. I don't know how I got that dream, but after my college and all, unfortunately, actually I could able to materialize that dream by joining into Sainik School Nainital. So that's one of the beautiful hill station of India. Okay. Anyway, that very happy that you have got the dream of becoming a firefighter, And generally, girls are concerned, they are not coming to that area because it's adventurous, portion too. Okay, that's all. Then,
Where do you see Holy Grace Academy Mala after 10 years?
could you repeat that question again?
Where do you see Holy Grace Academy Mala after 10 years?
After 10 years. So this is the 21st year of our school. Okay, after 4 years, we will be celebrating our silver jubilee. So after 10 years means, the Holy Grace will be completing more than 30 years. So as per the today's, growth of the institution, the progress of the institution, I consider Holy Grace will scale more heights in the days to come. Okay, so right now also we have got a place in the educational landscape of Kerala. And especially in Thrissur, it is a premier institution. And even Kerala also, we have got a place among the CBSE schools of the state. And I'm sure that we will be able to scale more heights in the days to come in all aspects of the schooling, in terms of our academic pursuits, then the co-curricular achievements and the formation of children into resourceful and remarkable citizens of tomorrow. And after all, a school's position and the school's name and fame is decided by the quality of our products. And the quality of products means the quality of our children, where you are going to be placed, where you are going to be associated with after your school, after your college. This all depends upon the quality of our children. If you are reaching to some greater positions in life, or if you are getting a good post, somewhere, or if you are getting into top institutions of the country for your higher education, definitely the school is moving in the right direction, and school is scaling more and more heights. So the quality of the school is all about the quality of our students too. Okay, so you are getting the training from your teachers. So these training should equip the children, should make the children, should transform the children into a quality product and a resourceful citizen and a remarkable human being after all. Okay, so the place of the school is to be decided by your achievements. This is what I learned from the school where I was associated for 8 years, that is Sainik School, Nainital. It is one of the premier institutions of the country. So that Sainik School has got a great position or great place in the educational landscape of India because of the products, because the products of that institution. Okay, that products are concerned, they are in top positions in not only in the armed forces, but in other areas also. Okay, so we have got outstanding engineers, doctors, civil servants, IAS, IPS officials from that institution. So after all, the name and fame of Holy Grace also depends upon your quality. That is what I believe. So after 10 years, Kalyani will be in 10th standard, I believe. Okay, so we want that Kalyani also to come out in come out in flying colors from Holy Grace, not only in academics, but in other areas, and above all, as I said earlier, so you should come out of this institution as a person who upholds truth and good values in life. That is what we always expect out of our children. Okay.
Sir, if you have an option to choose a country to live, where would it be?
So could you repeat that question again? I couldn't get it fully.
Sir, if you have an option to choose a country to live, where would it be?
So my option is concerned, my motherland, my mother country, it is India. So India is concerned, it is such a wonderful country because it is not looking like a country, it is just like a continent, the country of too many diversities. Okay, if you travel from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, you come across too many that diverse people, the diversities in terms of the language, in terms of the culture, in terms of the food, in terms of the costume. So it's really an amazing country. And of course, I like to be associated. I like to live in the same place, where I belong to today, because I belong to a village in Kottayam district, and that's a wonderful place. And I like to be associated with the same place and the same state and the same country. Okay, that's the thing.
What message you have for me and my friends?
So UKG children are concerned, you are getting ready for your graduation tomorrow, I believe. Okay, so my message is concerned, as I said earlier, believe in yourself and always speak truth. Okay, so definitely you will be able to scale greater heights as a student and as a responsible daughter of your family. So that's the thing. So be a good individual, because after all, the aim of education is not to get so many grades and percentage. After all, we need to transform yourself as a good citizen and a responsible citizen for the days to come. Okay, so your parents, should feel proud of you. Your teachers should feel proud of you, and your school, then society, then the country should feel proud of you people. So if you are able to make others feel proud of you, definitely you are an amazing student, an amazing individual, or amazing citizen for the days to come. So that's the message, I just want to convey to you as well as your friends. Be a good human being. So it is not so easy to remain as a good human being today. So that itself is a big challenge before us. Okay, so that's the only message to you.
Finally, sir, who is your favorite, Mohanlal or Mammootty?
See, as far as film is concerned, see, both are good actors, but Mohanlal is concerned, he is very, very, very special to me, because he is a natural actor. Because his acting skill is concerned, range is concerned, that is something amazing. Which all roles, he acts, whether it is as a character role, or, or even as a comedian, or any area, of course, he has got that natural instinct as an actor. For example, recently, 2 weeks before, I happened to see that Drishyam 2. So that is something, amazing acting skill of Mohanlal. I've been watching too many movies of Mohanlal right from my college days. So when Mohanlal is concerned, he's a natural actor. Mammootty is concerned, he's also a good actor. But as far as that range is concerned, I believe Mohanlal has got more range as a natural actor than Mammootty. Okay, so both are good actors, no doubt. But I have got little special inclination to Mohanlal as an actor. Okay. What about you?
Yes,
what about you?
My favorite is Mohanlal.
Like me. Okay. And for information, Mohanlal is a good cook also. He is expert in cooking also. I happen to read some articles or something like that. Okay. Then.
Funny, naughty. He's funny, naughty.
He is funny and naughty also. Yes, right. That is the.
It was nice talking to you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, Kalyani, nice to interact with you. And of course, it is a very novel experience for me, and as well as a refreshing experience for me. I was just sharing this experience, about the interview to my wife also. She's also a principal. And she used to listen to your news reading. I made a mention about you also, about your news reading skill and all. So I'm very happy to have this experience with you. What about your mother? She's also employed, or she's a homemaker?
Yes.
What? Homemaker?
She's working.
Where?
Has NIPMR.
Where?
Audiologist, speech and
Okay.
speech language pathologist.
Oh, very good, very good. So that's a wonderful job. Okay, she's working. Okay. Then, what is your ambition? Do you have any ambition in your life?
Firefighter.
Firefighter. You already told me firefighter. Okay, so that's very good. You know that. Where do you get this inspiration for firefighter? Who gave the inspiration to you?
YouTube. From YouTube.
Right now, of course, you know, it's a YouTube. You know, I was talking about, you know, Mahatma Gandhi as my role model, and of course, you are getting
We
a lot of.
can save people.
You can save people. Anyway, that's a good spirit. You know, there is a specific intention behind it. You know, you can save people becoming a firefighter. Anyway, it's a very.
We can put down the fire.
Okay, okay. Anyway, I'm very happy that even at this age, you know, you have got a aim in your life. Because I know there are many children who, who are reaching up to 10th standard are moving without any direction. But most of the gradations are concerned, they have got a, on that aim in their life, ambition in life. So that is very important. And sometimes it will change. Right now, UKG, you have got that ambition. Maybe after a couple of years, you know, that you will move to some other. So that is natural process. But anyway, I appreciate you as well as your parents for having this ambition in your life. You set your ambition at an early age. Okay, nice to speak to Kalyani. So convey my regards to your mom as well as your father who is in Abu Dhabi. So when you make call to him, so convey my best wishes and regards and appreciation for your parents for transforming you as a good student and a well-behaved child and with a lot of confidence at this age. And I believe that your teachers, your KG teachers and HM also played an important role to instill confidence in you and giving a fine tuning to you to become what you are today. Okay. Okay, Kalyani, any more questions?
Yes, Divya ma'am.
Thank you, Kalyani. Very nice. Very
Okay.
nice.
Okay, thank you so much. And who prepared this question for you? Whether you prepared these questions or somebody helped you to prepare. Your mom helped you to prepare questions. But I am very happy that you asked all the questions without any prompting from others. You asked all the questions independently. Okay, that reflects your confidence level. Okay, so keep alive this confidence level in the days to come, and you will be able to scale greater heights in future, I'm sure. Okay, very good.
It was indeed a very absorbing interaction. It was very legitimate questions and thought-provoking answers. Thank you, sir. Thank you. It was really a resourceful session for our budding star. Thank you very much. Have a great day.
Okay, same. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Principal sir. Wish you all the best to our Kalyani also.
Okay, Kalyani,
and
bye-bye.
the coming years and more means opportunities you will be getting. Okay, in coming years you have to make use of it and shine like a star. Okay. Thank you.
Thank
Thank you,
you.
sir.
Okay, bye-bye. Okay, bye.